Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Science Kid. Today we are going to see about the circulatory system, and this video is one of the videos of the surprise treats. I think I didn't post videos past 2 days, so we have 4 videos now. So let us get into the video. Hello everyone again. Now, first let us see the parts of the circulatory system. The parts of the circulatory system are the heart, blood, and blood vessels are the parts of the circulatory system. Now let us see what are the 5 main functions of the circulatory system. It circulates oxygen and removes carbon dioxide. It provides cells with nutrients. It removes the waste products of metabolism to the excretory organs for disposal. It protects the body against disease and infection. Clotting stops bleeding after injury. These are the 5 main functions of the circulatory system. Now let us see an interesting question. What is blood made of? Your blood is made up of liquid and solids. The liquid part called plasma is made of water, salts, and protein. Over half of your blood is plasma. The solid part of your blood contains red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets. Now let us see, is blood an organ? Let us see that answer. Technically, blood is a transport liquid pumped by the heart to all parts of the body, after which it is returned to the heart to repeat the process. Blood is both a tissue and a fluid. It is a tissue because it is a collection of similar specialized cells that serve particular functions. I have given the explanation. So, I have a question for you. I leave this question to you. Is blood an organ? You can comment in the comment section below, and you can even comment your doubts. Now let us see about who discovered blood. An interesting question, right? Let us see. Karl Landsteiner, K-A-R-L-L-A-N-D-S-T-E-I-N-E-R. Karl Landsteiner. The human ABO blood groups were discovered by Austrian-born American biologist Karl Landsteiner in 1901. Now you know who discovered blood. And is blood an organ? You should give the answer. And we know what is blood made of. And what are the 5 main functions of the circulatory system. Now let us see how much blood is in our body. Scientists estimate the volume of blood in a human body to be approximately 7% of body weight. An average adult body with a weight of 150 to 180 pounds will contain approximately 4.7 to 5.5 liters, 1.2 to 1.5 gallons of blood. Now you know how much blood is in our body also. Now let us see who discovered heart. Harvey's heart, the discovery of blood circulation. Cambridge, England icon books. Harris, Paul, William Harvey Folkestone's most famous son. Now you know who discovered heart also. Now let us see which blood type is the oldest. I know it's very interesting for me. Now let us see. Blood type A is the most ancient, and it existed before the human species evolved from its hominid ancestors. Type B is thought to have originated somehow 3.5 million years ago from a genetic mutation that modified one of the sugars that sit on the surface of the red blood cells. Now let us see. Some people have this question, Is human blood blue? Let us see now. Human blood contains hemoglobin, which is a complex protein molecule in red blood cells. Hemoglobin contains iron. Although veins appear blue through the skin, blood is never blue. It's not blue at all. The reason why veins might be seen to be blue may have to do with the level of oxygen in the blood. Okay? So now we saw, is human blood blue? For that question I gave the answer. Now let us see. What food makes blood? Now let us see. What food makes blood? Interesting question, right? Red meat such as beef, organ meat such as kidney and liver, dark leafy green vegetables such as spinach and kale, dried fruits such as prunes and raisins. These foods make blood in our body, produces so much of blood in our body. By eating these things, we can increase the blood quantity in our body, and you can even increase your hemoglobin. Okay? Now let us see a final question. Who cannot donate blood? High risk occupation, unexplained weight loss of more than 5 kg over 6 months, chronic alcoholism, other conditions or disease stated in the guide to medical assessment of blood donors. Now you know everything about this. Now you know everything about blood, the circulatory system and everything. So let us end the video here. If you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. You can also comment your doubts below. I will surely reply to it. So thank you for watching. Again I'll tell, thanks for watching. Thank you.